I got the Starossa Mini. It's a mini coffee machine, coffee maker. Super easy for when you're traveling or camping. I'm gonna open it up. Ooh. Yo, it comes in a little travel bag. That is real nice. So handy. Sturdy zipper. Oh, look at it. That is very cute, very adorable. Has a little rack, can clean it. Okay, put this to the side. Now what? Let me read the direction and I'll be right back. And first step is to put the coffee, ground coffee, into the coffee holder. This is gonna be a mess. Next step, screw the water chamber back on. Make sure it's tight. The next step is to add hot water. I'll be right back. Okay, put the hot water in the cup. Have the pump. Gotta open up the pump. Screw it on. Now I gotta pump. Oh, now I gotta hold it for 10 seconds. 10. This is for better quality. Okay, now I gotta keep pumping until all the water is gone. Whoa. Sounds like a real drip coffee. Gotta put in some muscles though. Okay, last push. Yeah, a few less drips, but I think we're done. We've got our coffee. Espresso cheers. Ooh, that's nice and strong. But hey, it works. It actually tastes like a coffee. It's like not watery or anything. It's actually quite strong and quite flavorful. So yeah, if you are a real coffee addict and you can go without your coffee in the morning if you're camping, or if you are on a trip like Miguel and I went a while ago and there's no coffee, then it's nice. But yeah, it's a little bit of work to push, but it's not that hard, so I guess it would be worth it if you really want a coffee and you want to take it in a little travel case. All right, see you in the next one.